First we go to POS. You have to see product tab. Click the product tab. The products. Create a new product. You have to create new product name. You have to see product type. Consumable service, discoverable product combo. Set the combo. Set the combo choices. Create new combo choice. Create new product. Set the prices. Create another combo choices. Select the products. Set the prices. Save the products. Go to product combos. You have to see your combo choices. Go to viewers and select the product. Select the product variants and validate the payment. You can see different type of payment methods. And I have to select bank method and validate. Your order is done. It's all about this topic. Thank you.